Good morning everyone. I am Durva Moraskar from TY Biotechnology. Today I am going to present my presentation on beer production by fermentation technology. Beer production is one of the best example of industrial fermentation where microorganisms are used to convert sugar into alcohol under controlled conditions. So let's begin with the introduction. Beer is one of the oldest alcoholic beverages in the world. It is prepared by fermenting sugar obtained from the malted barley with the help of yeast. Fermentation technology is a branch of biotechnology that uses microorganisms to produce useful product in beer production. Yeast converts sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Modern breweries use controlled fermentation to maintain the quality, flavor and safety of the beer. What is beer production by fermentation technology? The history of beer dates back nearly 7,000 years ago. It was first produced by ancient civilizations such as Egypt. Earlier, beer was made using traditional method. Today, breweries use advanced fermentation, automated equipment, and strict quality control to produce beer on a large scale. The ingredients and their role. There are four main ingredients used in beer production. Water forms about 90 to 95% of beer. Malted barley provides starch, which is converted into fermentable sugar. Hops and bitterness, aroma, and also act as a natural preservative. Yeast is the most important microorganism because it converts sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Sometimes rice, wheat, or corn are also used as adjuncts. Malting. The first step is malting. Barley grains are soaked in water, allowed to germinate, and then dried in kiln. During germination, enzymes are produced. These enzymes laterally convert starch into fermentable sugar during the brewing process. The brewing process. After malting, the barley is mined and mixed with hot water in a process called mashing. During mashing, starch is converted into sugar. The liquid obtained is called wort. The wort is then separated by during boiled with hoops to develop flavors and remove unwanted microorganisms, and finally cooled before fermentation. Fermentation. Fermentation is the most important step in beer production. After cooling, yeast is added to the wort. After cooling, yeast is added to the wort. The yeast consumes sugars and converts them into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This process also produces flavor compounds that give beer its characteristic taste and aroma. Fermentation usually takes about 5 to 10 days. Glucose is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Role of yeast. Yeast is responsible for carrying out fermentation. Two common brewing yeasts are Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is used for ale beer, and Saccharomyces pastorius, which is used for larger beer. Besides producing alcohol, yeast also produces aroma and flavor compound that determines the quality of the beer. Maturation and filtration. After fermentation, the beer is stored at low temperature for maturation. During this stage, the flavor becomes smoother and carbon dioxide dissolves naturally into the beer. The beer is then filtered to remove yeast cells and suspended particles, making it clear and stable. Last, packaging. The finished beer is packaged in bottle, cans or kegs under hygienic condition. Proper packaging prevents contamination, maintains carbonation, and increases the shelf life of the product. The slide shows the complete beer production process. First, barley undergoes malting, followed by mashing to produce wort. The wort is boiled with hoops, cooled and fermented by yeast. After fermentation, the beer is matured, filtered, and finally packed for the sale. There are three types of beer: larger, ale, and hybrid.
Advantages and limitation.
Advantages: high quality beer production, controlled fermentation, consistent flavor, large scale industrial production. Limitation: risk of microbial contamination, strict temperature control required, high equipment costs, long maturation time. Application of beer fermentation technology. It is used in commercial beer production, craft brewing industry, food biotechnology, microbial
fermentation,
industrial fermentation research, yeast biotechnology, beverage manufacturing, quality control and validation.
Quality control.
Quality control is essential to ensure safe and consistent beer production. Various parameters such as alcohol content, pH, color, bitterness, microbial contamination, and aroma are checked. These ensure that every batch of beer meets the required quality standard.
Conclusion.
To conclude, beer production is a successful application of industrial fermentation technology. Yeast plays a major role in converting sugar
into
alcohol and carbon dioxide. Modern brewing combines microbiology, biotechnology, and quality control to produce safe, high, and quality beer. Thank you.